Yes, anyone. Sukanya, what is split value? Do you have any idea?
Split valuation.
Yes.
Okay. Splitting the valuation.
Manish.
Split valuation means I don't know perfectly, but might be there is one material which has different values like uh, 0 to 30% stock for this kind of purpose or this kind of value, and then 30 to 100% for this another purpose or this value, something like this.
Okay. What about Harish?
Like evaluating the materials, I think splitting is dividing the things. It's not general.
Okay. Okay, I'll ask you one question. What is valuation area?
Price.
Plant, right? Okay. For a single valuation area, how many valuation class we can assign?
Like raw and then finished, semi-finished.
Okay. How we have to evaluate a material? For example, we can evaluate a material either by the raw material or the semi-finished or the finish it, right?
Yes.
Yes.
All this material type will be having the different valuation class, right? Whenever we are doing the raw material, we'll be having the valuation class of 3000, right? For HAL,
Yes.
there is a different valuation class, and for a part, there is a different valuation class. So, can I evaluate all this under the same valuation class? What about whatever the raw material, HALB, and the FERT? Can I evaluate all this under same valuation class?
No.
No.
No, right? So see, split valuation is nothing but stock of the material. For example, if you evaluate some material under different valuation area. For example, you can take, okay, for the same material, like the stock for the same material can be evaluated differently under the same valuation area. Under the one plant, if we wanted to evaluate the one material with the different condition, for example, you can consider it may be under the origin based, or else it may be under the quality based, or else it may be based on the price based. For example, I'll just give you one scenario, okay? For example, we have the material for the different quality, right? For example, grade A quality, grade B quality, grade C quality. If you wanted to evaluate all this material under the same condition, we have to use the split valuation. Okay. For example, the client requirement is they wanted to evaluate the material like for the quality like grade A, grade B, grade C. Okay. We have what we can do. We have to create a plant if you wanted to do the quality, for example, grade A, grade B, grade C for a same material. Okay. But we have one concept that is the split valuation. We don't need to create a new plant for the same material if you wanted to value it. Okay. Under the same plant only, if we can use the split valuation concept, we can use the different scenario. Either it may be for the quality based, or else it may be for the origin based, or else it may be for the price based. I'll just give you one more example. Suppose you can take, we'll be having the apple, right? I'll just give you an example of the apple. Okay, there is different price in a different state. For example, if in Bangalore it's in 150 rupees, in a Mumbai it's on 200 rupees, in a Chennai it is on 250 rupees. Like, so if you wanted to evaluate all this material under a same valuation class, we have to use the concept that is the split valuation. Okay. Understood?
Ma'am, that's why when we select, we can see as per the import or the export vendor, different types of valuation class are there.
Sorry.
Now, when we're selecting the valuation class
Hmm.
in Media Master, we can see that as per the domestic means import means as per the vendor, domestic or the international, as per that valuation class we have to select.
Yes, see, this is not about the vendor concept. Okay, see, if you, for example, I just gave you example for an one product, that is the material product. I have given you an example. Okay, like for example, we have the different scenarios also. I'll just I will write in a PDF. Just a second. Like based on like if you what we can do now. For example, we can create the plant either in a Bangalore, in a Mumbai, in a Chennai. We can create new plant and we can evaluate that material. Like okay, see for the valuation for one valuation area, you can assign only one valuation class. For example, if you are going to buy a raw material, you have to take a valuation class one valuation. You can't go for the ROH HLB for under a one valuation class. Okay, so that's the reason one concept, that is the split valuation concept, where you can evaluate. It's not only based on the price, it can be considered as an origin based or as the quality based or any other like the production like in-house and the external house. So like this. Okay, I'll just give you an example of the three examples. I'll just write it in a first. I'll just write first scenario. Scenario one. Okay, it is based on the origin. Okay, this is material. You can consider some ABCD material. Okay, for example, under India, I'll just name it as 1,000. Under China, I'll just name it as 1,500, and then USA. I'll just name it as 2,000. This is the first scenario. Okay, and the second scenario based two. Scenario two. This is based on the quality. We can do it. Quality. Some material you can consider A, B, C, D. Okay, this grade A, grade B, grade C. Okay, this is the second scenario. And scenario number 3. Bangalore. It is based on the price. We can do it. Price. Some material. We can consider it is an apple. Okay. If it's in a Bangalore, 150 rupees. In the Mumbai, it is 200. Chennai, it is 250. This is the scenarios. Okay. It is not about only the based on the price. We can do it under the quality also, and you can do it under the origin also. The thing is, if the client requirement come like this, so you don't have to create the new plant. For example, for a Mumbai, for a Chennai, for a Bangalore, you don't need to create a new plant. For under the same plant, what you can do, you can use the split valuation and you can evaluate a material. For example, for a Bangalore, you can maintain it as an 150 rupees for the apple price, and for the Mumbai you can maintain it for the 200 rupees, and you can Chennai you can maintain it for the 250 rupees under the same valuation area. Whenever we wanted to purchase these materials from other states, if we have done this backend setting under the split valuation, You can see this whatever the settings in a material management. Okay, so I'll just show you in a SAP system also. Now you understood about the concept, just theory part I'm asking about the split valuation. What is split valuation?
Mansa,
Yeah,
what is the definition?
I'm just reading. Stock for the same material can be valuated differently. The same material, I mean to say one material. For example, offer. For the same material, you are valuating differently under the same valuation in area. Can be valuated differently under same valuation area. Just a second. Harish, I think Harish.
Yes, please.
See, stock for the same material can be valuated differently under same valuation area. For example, as I already mentioned, I can valuate a material either by the ROH, HALB, FUD, right? For the raw material, semi-finished or the finished. But I cannot valuate all this under the same valuation class. We have to use the different valuation class, right?
Yes.
Yes. If we wanted to evaluate one material with a different valuation class under the same valuation area, we have to use the concept that is the split valuation concept. Understood or not? Manish?
Yes.
So I already asked you one question. For a single valuation area, how many valuation class we can assign?
One.
Yes. So I'll just write in that area here also. Valuation area is nothing but the plant, okay? Valuation area. Plant. Only one valuation class. The evaluation area is nothing but the plant. For this, we need to do the configuration in the split valuation. The configuration part is first, you have to activate the split valuation. Activate split valuation. Already in default, it is activated, but you need to check it. Okay. And then again, you have to do the configuration. Configuration, it's nothing but global types. Global types is nothing but the valuation type. And then global category, it's nothing but the valuation category. And then third, under the local definition. We'll just do this in our system. Let me log into the system.
Ma'am, can you show the
Yeah, 1 second. Yes. Okay. In default, actually it's activated, but you have to check it. That's it. Done.
Done.
So the normal XPRO, CP reference MG, and then material management, and then you can see this, right? Valuation and account assignment.
Yes.
Let's click this one. You will be getting the split valuation. Okay, under the split valuation, you will be having the only two options: activate split valuation and the configure split valuation. In default, already the split valuation is activated, but you have to cross check it. Split material valuation active. If it's not active, just activate this and save it. Okay, come back, and whatever the configuration, you have to do it in the second field. Configure. So you will be getting this pop-up. Don't need to worry. Just cancel it. Okay, so here you will be having the three different types, like the global types, global category, and the local definition. Okay, global type is nothing but the valuation type, and global category is nothing but the valuation category. Then first, what you have to do, we'll take the example for the quality only. Okay, I'll just take example for this material: grade A, grade B, grade C. Okay. First, and one more thing, quality. This is the main material. Okay. This you will be considered as an valuation category. I mean to say, if you are valuating the material based on the origin, based on the quality, or based on the price, so that is the valuation category. Okay. Under which category you are valuating your material. Okay. Under this, for the material, if you are evaluating grade A, grade B, and the grade C, this you will be considered as an valuation class. Sorry, evaluation type. Okay. This is, I'll just write down here. Valuation category. Under which category you are evaluating your material. For example, based on the quality, right? So this grade A, I'll just use these three grades. For example, for a one material, we are evaluating under the different grades. Grade A material, grade B material, and grade C material. You know the quality of the material, right? Few of the material will be considered based on the quality, right? Grade A product, grade B product, grade C product. Okay. So this we will be considering as an valuation area. So evaluation type. Okay. First, what you have to do, go to the first you have to create the valuation category. I mean to say global category. Okay, just go here, see. And one more thing here, if you scroll the mouse, or if you can't able to scroll there, you can see this icon, right? The next page and the previous page, you have to use this icon. Okay, for the page down and the page up. Done. In the
Yes.
next bar, you have to use this one. Okay, so first, see, and you can see the symbols, right? See, so many symbols they have used, from the alphanumeric, like 1 to some of the symbols they have used. So you can use any symbol for the creation of the valuation category. So what you have to do, just go here, create valuation category. Okay, what I'll do, I'll just try to give the number. First, let me check if any number is available. Okay. Can go with the numbers. I'll just take 5. So based on which category we are evaluating the material,
Quality.
you have to mention based on the quality. You have to mention the description. So you don't have to maintain all these things. External procurement, in-house period, it is all not mandatory. And once you're done with this, just save it. Let me check, no changes material. Okay, I'll just use this symbol. Sorry. This valuation category 5 was created. I'll just write down here. Valuation category 5. Okay, come back and check yours. See, valuation category. We have created the valuation category, right? This we have created. Based on the quality, we are doing the valuation category 5. What is the next step? Yes, what is the next step? We have created the valuation category. Next, what we have to configure?
We have
Valuation
to
type.
configure the types like A, B, grade A, grade B, grade C.
Where I have to do? I told
Global.
you. Yes, global types is nothing but the valuation types. Just click on this. You can see the create button right here. Go to create first, grade A. Okay. And already you are aware about the external and internal purchase order. For example, 0 if you select no external purchase order allowed, 1 external purchase orders allowed but warning issued, and 2 external purchase orders allowed. Which one I have to select? I wanted to purchase grade A material from the vendor.
The external
Two.
purchase orders.
Yes. So what about internal purchase order?
0.
Yes. Oh, okay. What is account category reference? Already learned in the material master. Did anyone observe what is okay what is the account category reference we have used? 0001, right? You can go and check. Valuation type grade A already exists. Okay. Based on the quantity, grade 1. I just maintain grade 1. Okay, grade 1. Grade 1, grade 2, and then grade 3. So I created first valuation. Go back, grade 1 is there. Yes. I'll just create the second valuation type, that is grade 2. No need to change anything. And then you have to do this create. Check here, valuation type grade 2 was created. Go back, grade 1, grade 2, 3. The next one is grade 3. Grade. Valuation type grade 3 was created. So we have created grade 1, grade 2, grade 3. We have done with the valuation type also. Okay. So after this, if I wanted to, if I do the material master, all this, whatever the settings I have done, it will be pop up. I've just configured the valuation types and I have just configured the valuation category, right? Did I assign this valuation category to the valuation type?
No.
We need to assign this one, right?
Yes.
Again, what you have to do, go to the valuation category. What is the valuation category I have used?
Five.
001.
5. Then you have to go here, types category. Okay. Just check it here. What is the valuation type I have done? Grade 1, right?
Yes.
Just click this and activate. Okay. Valuation type grade 1 was activated. And grade 2 activate. Grade 3 activate. And you have to do one more thing, that is you have to check whether any other valuation type are assigned or not. Okay. If it's assigned, you have to delete that one. Only this grades, grade 1, grade 2, and grade 3 should be assigned for this valuation category. That you have to cross check. Okay. So now I have activated grade 1, grade 2, grade 3 to my valuation category, and then just save it. Changes were save it. Again, come back and cross check once. See, it's activated, right? So once you're done with this, there is last option is there, that is the local definition. Here you have to check for your plant, which plant we are using every time. So that is the TP10, right?
Yes.
Go to TP10, or else if you are using your plant, go and do it for your plant. Okay. I'm just using the TP10 every time. Yeah. Then go to categories. So there is already one activity is there. Just deactivate that one and activate yours. That is 5. You have to link your valuation category to your plant also. Okay. Have created the 5 valuation category. So I'm just activating that one. Okay. If any valuation category is activated to that particular plant, what you have to do, you have to deactivate. I already showed. Like I'll show you once again. Just go over to this and just deactivate. Okay. Just cross check here if any valuation category is assigned to this particular TP10 plant or not. Once you cross check, activate for your valuation category. Okay. Valuation category TP10 5 was activated. Just save it. So what and all the configuration setting I have done now. First, what I have created, what I have configured first.
Global categories.
Categories. Based on which category I have, I'm configuring.
Quality.
Okay. First, we have configured the valuation category. That is the global category. Okay. And then we have configured the valuation type. That is based on the grade 1, grade 2, grade 3 for a particular material. Right. If you wanted to do it based on the origin based, you can do it, or it's based on the price, you can do it. So I have just taken example for the quality. Okay. Grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, I have configured the valuation type. Once I configured both the valuation category and the valuation type, what I have done, I have assigned the valuation category to the valuation type. Right. So once I adjusted this one, the last step, what I have done, for particular plant. For example, if I'm using the TP10 plant, for that particular plant, I have assigned valuation category. Now I have linked all this plant to the valuation category and the valuation type, right? This is the configuration part. Activate split valuation, I have activated. Configuration, I have created the valuation types also, valuation category also. Under the local definition, what we have done? Assign the valuation category to the plant. Valuation category. So example, I'll just write down here. Origin. Valuation type. Example. Grade 1, grade 2, grade 3. Okay. We have configured the valuation category and then valuation type. I'll just assign valuation category valuation category to the valuation types. Okay. Once you're done with this, in the last step, you have to assign your valuation category to the plant. So I have just used TP10 plant. If you are using your particular plants, you can take that example. Understood? Sukanya,
Yes, ma'am.
or you want me to show once again?
Yes.
Okay. First, I'll just show you how. Sorry, path of SPRO, SCP reference IMG. Just a second. Here, material management. Under material management, you have to go to the valuation and account assignment. Just write down the steps. SAP is a SPRO, SAP reference IMG, material management. Under material management, go to valuation and account assignment, and then split valuation. Till now, you have to write down. Once it's done, let me know.
Done.
Okay. First, you have to check it here. Okay. Few times what will happen, it is not active. So you have to check it and you have to activate the split material valuation. Okay. And then come back. Whatever the configuration you have to do in the second field, that is configure split valuation. Okay. Once you click this one, you will be getting this pop-up. You don't need to worry. What you have to do, just cancel it. Okay. And here you will be having only the three options. One is the global type, one is the global category, and one is the local definition. Okay. Then this is nothing but the valuation type, valuation category, and the local definition. Okay. First, what you have to do is you have to go to the global category. That is nothing but the valuation category. So already I mentioned you, global category is nothing but the based on the origin or based on the quality. So based on which scenario you are using, you have to create that valuation category. What I have done, I have taken the example based on the quality, right? Based on the quality. First, what I have done, I just go to the global category. Here you can see, right? Just you have to go to the create button. I'm not going to create anything. Just I'm showing you, okay? Take any alphanumeric, any symbol here, valuation category, and then you have to mention the description. For example, okay, what we will do, I'll create one more thing, 6, and based on the origin. Okay, don't need to select anything. You can see this button, right? Create.
Yes.
Just create it. Valuation category 6 was or were created. Okay, come back. See here. First step is done. We have created the valuation category, right? This one. Based on the, this is valuation category we have created. Right? What is the next second step?
Types.
What I have to do? Go to create, mention the types. For example, here what I have mentioned based on the origin base, India, China, and the USA. Right? Mention India. Here the normal external purchase order, internal purchase order, 0001. You have to mention it. See, already existed. Okay, what I'll take, I'll just take euro. Let me check. Yes, valuation type euro was created. Like this, you have to create the valuation type. How many valuation type you want, you can create it. This is the valuation types. So I have done the valuation category, I have done the valuation type. What is the next step? I have to assign my valuation category to the valuation type, right?
Yes.
What is the next step here?
Types and categories.
Yes. Then one type I have created for this. That is
Euro.
how I need to. You can see this field, right? Activate. Just click this, it will get activated. And scroll down, you have to check whether any other valuation type are activated or not. Okay. It's not activated, just only we are activated euro. Just save it. So come back. Okay. So I have assigned my valuation category to the valuation types also. So what is the next step?
We have to assign plant.
Plant assignment.
Yes. Okay. Tell me if you have any plans other than DP10.
MS10.
I understand. This one, right?
Yes.
Yes. Activate this. Valuation category MS10 6 was or were activated, right? Just what you have to do is just check it and activate it. If you wanted to deactivate, just it deactivate. Okay, deactivate it. I'll just activate now. Again, say go back. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, so this is the backend configuration setting for the split valuation, and we have to do some settings in a material master also. Okay, go to MM01. Correct. Maybe it's normal or orange. Okay. Interesting. Okay. This is photo. And one more thing I'll just write down before doing this. This is under the material master. What you have to do first, you have to create one parent material. Okay. Parent material. I'll just tell you that one. Parent material is nothing but the for the ROH. And then child materials. Child material, that is grade 1. I'll just type this. First, we have to create one material, that is the parent material. Let's see here. Parent material. Okay. We set of measure, just take randomly material group. Services. Check this material group. Yes. This is normal valuation plus. Does anybody observe where I need to activate my valuation category? In the accounting one view, I have to take my valuation category, which I have created just now. Can anybody observe under which field there is a valuation category is there?
Like after a basic unit of measurement.
Yes.
Is that
What is the valuation category I have created?
quality?
Right.
Just select this one. For this parent material, what we are doing is we are assigning the valuation category. Okay. Once you're done with this, just enter, save it. This is the material. This is the parent material. Okay. So again, you have to create for the child material. Child material is nothing but the valuation type, the grade A, grade B, grade C. What you have to do is you have to take the same material number. For example, for the whatever the parent material you have created, right? You have to take the same material number. Just you are going to extend that material. Okay. What you have to do, just copy that number and paste it in a material and copy from. Okay. Once you're done with this, just enter. See, Here you will be getting the valuation type. For example, which valuation type we have done? Grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, right? If you wanted to procure a grade 1 material, go to grade 1, or else if you wanted to procure a grade 2 material, go to grade 2, and if you wanted to procure a grade 3 material, you have to go to grade 3. Now you can see the changes, right? Before, what we are doing, like without maintaining any valuation type and the valuation category, just we have created the standard material master, vendor master, and then what we have done, we have just sending the PO copy to the vendor, right? For the one material. See, here also only the one material, but the thing is we are maintaining with the different valuation type. For example, grade 1 material, grade 2 material, grade 3 material. But all these types are comes under the same valuation, right? For the same material, what we are doing, we are qualifying based on their grades. Grade 1, grade 2, grade 3 of the same material, right? For this, we are doing the split valuation. Now you can see the changes, right? If you wanted to procure grade 1 material, go to the grade 1 material, create one material master and send the PO copy to the vendor, right? And if you wanted to procure the grade 2 material, then as it is, take parent material, parent material number, copy and paste it here, and what which grade you have to select, grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, just select it, grade 1, enter. See, everything is same, only valuation class. One second, yes, and then price. Just observe here. Did the material number got changed here? See, did the material number got changed here?
Yes.
No, ma'am.
No. The same number, 7900000361. The same number we have used here. Why? We have taken the same material number reference. For the parent material, we have just going with the grades, grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, right? What we have done, we have created one parent material and we have taken that parent material number. In reference to that, we have just pasted here and copy from which material, the same material. Just what we have done. See, I have done valuation type 1. See, already have created the material master for the grade 1. What is left over here? Grade 2 and grade 3. Right?
Yes. So within one material only, we are assigning the
Yes.
grade.
For the same material, we are assigning with a different valuation type. See, I don't need to do anything. Just maintain the valuation class, normal price. Yes. The same material number it will get. Just let me check one second. See, so the remaining third grade we can procure. Okay. Firstly, what we will do, we have created the material now, right? Vendor master, I'll just take from the existing. So what is the T code? We are to get the vendor master number, vendor number. Okay, VZ. Just make it take then. Take any of the vendor. This vendor I'll take. Okay, PIR or no matter, I'll just send the PO copy now. Okay, give me 21. Yeah. If you wanted to procure grade 1 material, you can. Sorry.
It is vendor right?
In material, you have listed the vendor numbers.
Okay, okay, sorry. Just a second, the material number. Enter the client TP and just maintain the material number. TP and enter how much quantity you're buying. Right? Net price 5 rupees. See here, what is the message you are getting?
In case of split valuation, please enter valuation code.
Why I'm getting this?
Because we are doing like split valuation.
Right. Okay. So now you have a question, right? For example, if I wanted to buy a material, I have to send the purchase order. But for this, all this material, the same material number is there, right? Like I wanted to buy only the grade 1 material. Now, grade 2, grade 3, I'll just buy later. Okay. Where you need to specify that one.
Type of
Yes, already the answer is here. Under the delivery, you'll be having the option, right? Valuation type. Select it. Grade 1. You are going to buy the grade 1 material from a vendor, right? Just you have to select it. Okay. So the next working day, that is 5. See here. Or else if you wanted to buy a grade 2 material, what you have to do? You have to select it here. What is the change? Once you're done with the configuration of the split valuation, delivery tab get activated in the PO. Okay. Under the PO, you have to mention which valuation type. I mean to say which grade, or else which, if you are maintaining under a price or else under the origin, you have to specify here. Okay. You'll be having the question, right? For all the material, for grade 1, grade 2, grade 3 material, all the material, the same number we are using. How come the system will get to know which material you are going to buy? You need to specify that, right? Grade 1, grade 2, or grade 3. Specify that. You are going to buy grade 1 material as of now. Then check it. If you're getting any messages, no messages, how much save? Now I can buy the grade 1 material. If you wanted to buy grade 2 material, the same procedure you have to follow. Understood? Manish?
Yes, I got.
So let me write this one also. Under material master, what is the thing you have to do? Material master, parent material, or okay, I'll just go with one more material now. H1 mm01. Okay, I'll just remove this. Tell me now. So what is the changes when we are doing for the split valuation? I wanted the answer. Compared to the standard material, under the split valuation, what is the changes here? Sorry,
Valuation category.
right? Valuation category you have to select. This is for the material master. First, you have to create the parent material. Then, under the accounting one, select the valuation
Okay.
category. Okay, this is the only step you have to do in this material. Okay, this is for the parent material. Under the child material, for the grade 1, copy the parent material number and extend it. What you have to do here? Specify the valuation type. Example, what we have done?
Grade 1.
Grade 1, right? And then the normal. Same. This is under the material master. Vendor already you know, PIR, PR option already that also you know. Coming to the purchase order. Under the purchase order, what you have to do? What is the changes?
In delivery note, you have to check.
In the delivery tab,
Yeah.
check the select,
Value.
not check the, select the valuation type. Example, grade 1. Under the material master, under the accounting one, see, and one more thing I have to tell you, there is some, if you are using HALB and FERT also for different valuation classes, if you are using, you have to do the backend setting. I mean to say material master field selection. The reason here is under the accounting one, you can see that field, right? You need to check this valuation category box. It will be under the optional entry or else it will be under the display mode. So what you have to do, you learned a step like by using the OMSR step, you have to do the screen field setting for your material type. Okay. If you are using the HALB or the FERT, it will be in a display mode. You can't able to enter valuation category here. So cross check that one, go to the screen field setting under the OMSR and then change the screen field setting. For example, for your valuation, for your HALB or the FERT, make it as a mandatory valuation category. Already you know how you need to do the screen field setting for the material master, right? How you need to do?
Yes.
If
Yes.
you want to go to the technical name, what is the procedure you have to follow?
No, no, I know.
Then technical information.
Technical information.
You have to copy from screen sheet.
Copy the screen fields.
Copy this one. I'll just show you first. Okay, let me check for the HALB. Okay, MM01. The finished product. I'll just check whether it is activated or not. Till now, you understood, right? All this. So I'll just show you for the HALB normal. Okay. Then this was the material of parent. Yes. Okay, Manish, what is your material type? You have already taken the material types, right? What is the material type? Tell me your industry sector and material type. Anyone?
Mechanical.
Okay, material type.
That was before, but I think it was deleted here.
We'll check. You can tell.
It was Mira, MIRI.
My RA.
Yes.
ALB. No, it's not there. What about others? Sukanya?
I'll check.
MIRA. No, it's not there. Deleted. So let me go with. But I'll just check whether for this that field got activated or not. I'll just check it. No, already it's activated. I'll just take some material type. I don't know. Okay. Which let me check with this. See, for this you can see the valuation category. It is in display mode, right?
Yes.
Yes. This is the material type we have used for this.
Yeah.
So what you have to do? ROHA, right? Yeah, tell me the configuration part. Material master, sprinkler setting.
SPRO or OMSR. Equal.
Then
Field name.
Field name.
Field name.
I know the technical name, that is in VW, then VWPTY. This is for the valuation category. See, in BWTTY, that is the valuation category. Go here. Shit. Now I can't use, just okay. What you have to do is,
Mandatory.
yes,
Required.
now you have to change it here from the optional entry to the required entry for your field reference. Okay, now I'm not able to do. Somebody is using this one, so it's got locked actually. So go to your field reference and activate that one. Okay, if you're getting the error. See, for ROH1, we need to do the, see, for ROH, we have activated this as an required entry. For ROH1, RCB, ROHX and all, these are on in the optional entry. What you have to do, you have to just uncheck this one and check the required entry and then select it, save it. Okay, it will get activated. Do it after some time. As of now, it's got activated. Let me check 1 second. BWPTY. No, the data is locked by sometimes. Now I can't able to do. You know the steps, right? How you need to activate.
Yes.
Yes, just follow that. If it's in a display mode, just first try with the normal thing. If it's already activated, it's fine. Or else you have to activate. Any doubt? Manish? Yeah, the normal thing, GR and IR process. Only the changes in the PO and the material master. After you sending the PO copy to the vendor, he will deliver the material. You have to do the goods receipt and you have to do the IR process. That's all.
Ma'am, all the details will be given by the department, right? Means which grade we are going to procure.
Yes, yes. Everything will be given by the business itself. This is just I'm taken random examples here. To give you an example, I've just taken the random example. Yes, if you don't have any questions, we can move for the QA session. Prepared for the enterprise structure? Sukanya?
Yes, ma'am.
Manish?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have one question.
Yeah, tell me.
Uh, I was just forgetting. I should have asked you earlier.
Hmm.
Because I have not seen the recording. Means when I have go through all the recordings
Hmm.
in the first week. So I should have asked you earlier. I'm just asking you right now about the tables of the. Um, 1 minute. I'm telling you. I have to update in my Excel sheet as well. Ma'am, please tell me the MyGo tables means name.
Mygo tables.
Yeah.
Oh, what about PR and PO already you have, right?
Yes, ma'am. I have written only the MyGo tables, MyGo header level data, MyGo item level data, and MyGo tables. I have not written.
MKPF, that is for the Mygo header level.
Ma'am, 1 minute. I will just update. MKPF.
PF,
Okay. And for the header level,
that is for the header level, Mygo header level. For the
okay.
item level, MSEG.
MSEG.
EG. Yes.
1 minute.
Harish already sent a message in. You can check it.
Okay.
Myro also we have sent. RVKP and then RSE.
Okay. MKPF and MSEG.
Yes.
And MyDo RBKB and MyDo item level RSEG.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. What is storage location?
Mansa,
Yes,
if I
ma'am.
want to see the print preview and then I want to add some printer number, then which is the number is this?
Actually, the system which you are using, you have to select that one. I don't know which system you are using. Just check it in your settings.
Where exactly I have to check? Like in Windows or iOS, like that
No,
you
no.
are asking?
The Windows only print, the normal print you will take, right? Like whenever you are going to save any PDF or anything, you will be getting an option, like where you have to do the, there you will be getting the complete detail.
Yeah, but for my personal printer, I'm trying to attach and it won't work. It won't show there.
Okay, I have to check that one. Uh,
Before it's, sometimes you are saying some numbers. I don't know whether it's starting with L or something.
no, no,
I
that is
don't know.
actually for this system. So, okay, I'll just check that one, Manish.
Okay.
Yes. Srinivas, can you tell me about the storage location? What is storage location? I want the definition with the path and then the T code. Come on, video mode. Yes, come on, video mode. Okay, fine. You can answer. What is storage location? Storage, the definition, and then the path, and then the T code.
Storage location and organization unit where
Hmm.
books are produced and stored. Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yes.
What about the path?
Is OS 09.
Sorry, OX.
09.
That is the direct T code. I'm asking you the path.
Yes, SPRO.
Hmm.
It's a P reference IMG. Enterprise structure.
Hmm.
Forward from my remember the table.
Okay. So enterprise structure, definition, material management under there, maintain storage location. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. What is purchase organization, Manish?
Purchase organization that is a basic function that can procure the material for the plant or related to the maintenance work.
What about the T code?
Purchase that is OX08 for creation of OX08.
Okay. Sukanya, types of purchase organization.
One is plant specific,
Hmm.
then cross company code,
Hmm.
and cross plant. No, sorry, plant specific, cross company code, and
Correct. Cross plant purchase organization.
sorry, ma'am.
It's correct. Cross plant purchase
Cross
organization.
plant. Okay.
Yeah. What is cross company code purchase organization?
Sorry, ma'am. Your voice is breaking.
What is cross company code purchase organization?
Yeah, cross company code purchase organization is cross company code, right? Different company code under different plant and one purchase organization.
Okay. Sneha, what is company code?
Company code is it is an independent entity by which we can maintain all the profit and loss. It company code, or it contains all the profit and loss of that particular company code.
What is the T code?
T code OX15.
Company code I'm asking.
OX02.
Monica, what is company or client?
For the client, its company is on highest level, and we can store our data for the company what we are running, like for business process, and it has all its own master record data to maintain the smooth business running.
Okay, what is the T code?
OX15.
Okay, and who is that? Harish. Okay. How to create a material group? I want the path. How to define a material group? Or else
Yeah.
fine. No. Yeah, it's fine. Just tell me the T codes for assign company code to the company.
Assign company code to the
Company. Who will do this setting?
it is done by FI consultant.
Okay. Do you aware about the T code?
Yes, OX16.
Okay. What about for the assign purchase organization to the plant?
Assigning purchase organizations to plant will be done by consultant only.
Hmm.
T code for OX only.
OX?
17.
Okay. Assign company code to the purchase organization.
These are as a purchase organization to company code.
Yes.
OX01.
Okay, plan to company code.
Plan to company code OX18.
Yes. Okay. What about the purchase group T code? Like what is the T code to create the purchase group?
We have to go
OME4.
the create purchase group. And
OME4.
OME4.
Yes, OME. Okay, what is purchase group?
Like purchase group is an independent unit. It is not linked with any organization unit.
Hmm.
Like it is useful for day-to-day activities like tracking the orders and
It
daily activities.
tracks the day-to-day materials that has been procured, that is there or not, tracking the daily basis.
Okay. Okay, can I assign like 3 different plant to the one company code?
Yes.
We can assign company code to
Yeah, we can assign, but we cannot assign one company.
Yes, Manish, you are telling something.
Yes, we can assign with one company code to 3 plant, but we could not assign more company.
Yes. Fine. So tomorrow, material master, you have to prepare. Material master in the sense all the things, all the configuration, material type, material group, number ranges, and the master data tables. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes, Srinivas.
I can't able to create the ROH material.
Sorry,
ROH material.
ROH material.
I can't able to create.
Why you are creating ROH material? It's already existing ROH material is the
Material type ROH. I can't able to create material.
material type ROH. You are not able to create it.
No, while creating a material, is selecting ROH, it is not executing like that. Maybe.
Just let me check
Unable to create a material ROH.
Yes,
for ROH.
Yes.
1 second. Let me check here. What is the message you are getting?
Showing that internal sensors.
Yes, what is the message you are getting, Srinivas?
Showing something internal.
Internal number assignment something you're getting message.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, like change the material type or else check the number ranges, the internal or the external number ranges, whether the number ranges are still available or all the number ranges are used for the ROH material type. You know the number ranges, right? Like MMN. Go and check for the ROH whether the internal or the external number assigned already all the members are using the same ROH material, right? Maybe numbers are finished. So you have to check in the PNR status. Check in the PNR status.
Ma'am,
Yes, Sukanya.
Still I'm not getting that the material type and the in document type. So you told about the one IT person, yeah.
No, actually, for the Mac, even we have tried from our end. Even they are not getting the solution.
Okay, I'm not getting the T codes as well, ma'am.
The codes in the sense like the create and the change, which I have showed you in the purchasing tabs. The T codes are what?
Yes, ma'am. When I am just going to logistics and I'm just finding the T codes like the purchase requisition and purchase order, all the T codes, I'm not getting that also. I don't know why.
Okay, Monica, what about for you?
Yeah, actually, in the Money's laptop, we can see like if I'm going to with path, then after like purchasing organization, and then there is a T code. But in my system, I'm not. I cannot see that T code. I need to go only with path.
Okay, have you checked? Okay, that icon only it's not there in your Mac, right? That day even we have checked, right, Sukanya?
Yes, but
We are
Yes,
we
saying
cannot.
ma'am. Yes.
yes. Okay, let me talk once again today. So if I get any solution, I'll update you. Okay.
Ma'am, I've also texted Mayur sir as well, and I've told you right now because I'm unable to see the as I'm not seeing the ROH and all those. I'm unable to take that what material I am taking. Is it existable or not? And sometimes I'm getting that internal number ranges are not there. So it
Okay,
became
let me today once again. Yeah,
okay, ma'am.
I'll check again today. So with the IT person, let me check if I get any solution. I'll just give you a text. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Sure.
Fine. We can wind up for today. Tomorrow, be prepared for the material master. Okay. Start with the new topic.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.